Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add DNS records in Namecheap. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. Log into your account using your username and password. After you log in, you will see the dashboard. On the left side, click on Domain List. This will show all the domains you own in your account. Find the domain where you want to add the DNS record. Next to that domain, click the Manage button. This will open the domain management page. Now look at the top menu and click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you control the DNS settings for your domain. Scroll down until you see the Host Record section. Here you will see a list of existing records. To add a new one, click on Add New Record. You will now enter the details for your new DNS record. First, choose the type. For example, select a record if you want to point your domain to an IP address. In the host field, type add if you want to update the root domain, like example.com. In the value field, enter the correct IP address for an A record or the target domain for a CNAME record. Set the TTL to 30 minutes or leave it on automatic. Finally, click the green checkmark to save your record. Wait a few minutes for the changes to apply. Thanks for watching.